All right, stop. You'll break your back. Okay. How have you got yourself through this?
I'm the wildlife rescue agent. I work under the Department of Natural Resources. I handle rescue and investigation. And in this particular case, I was called about a rabbit that was stuck in a fence. So if I'm coming at a tiny little animal, it's already a bad day for that animal. And now a monster is walking towards you. Try to keep my negotiation skills, on par.
Can I get you to come this way? Let's go back the way you came. I did bring, just happened to have 10 snips in my pocket while they were in the car. I'm gonna need you to exhale, buddy. Can you exhale for me?
I think I used 10 snips, which wouldn't be the best thing to use in that scenario, but it's what I had at the time.
Hopefully, these are 10 snips. I'm hoping that they'll work on this project here. How are you today? You gonna be all right? Oh, got some degloving.
It had a little bit of an abrasion from where it was rubbing against the fence, but a little bit of scrape and some fur missing is not going to be a problem.
Let's see. It's a scrape, but
it's raw, but it's not so degloved that. Can you get out of here? There's your answer.
He was okay, as you could see, and best case scenario, he lived his days out as long as he could. Would love to get people to be a little more conscious of what we're doing with the wildlife. If you learn something and then start respecting wildlife and learn how to coexist, life is a heck of a lot more entertaining